I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something.
Hi guys, so it's currently like 9 o'clock on Christmas Day, and I decided that we celebrated Christmas here at my house with my little family. We went over to my grandma's for a little bit, and there's not going to be any more Christmas celebrations here, so I decided I was going to take down all my Christmas decorations. I don't have a ton. If you guys are new here, this is my new house I bought in September. I moved in like late October, early November, and then I set up for Christmas. So I haven't really seen the house that long without Christmas decorations, but honestly I've had them up for like a month. I'm kind of sick of them, and I want to just get off to a fresh start for the new year. So obviously I'm going to be taking my tree down. I have some decor over here. I don't have a bunch, but I feel cluttered now that I got some Christmas presents. So I'm going to take everything down and give at least the main floor a really good clean. And yeah, so let's get into it. I started by taking everything off the tree, and then obviously taking the tree down, and then I took all the rest of my decor down. I honestly don't have that much stuff because this is my first year in this house, so I kind of just got like some random decor this year, and it didn't take that long to take everything down. But yeah, so I took everything off the tree, took everything out around the house, and then I took it outside to the shed, even though it was like super cold and there was like a foot of snow on the ground. But I was determined to get this out of the house so that the next day I could give the main floor a really good clean.
Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
So like I said earlier, there was a ton of snow on the ground, but I was so determined to like get all the boxes and all the Christmas decor out of my house because it was just causing me anxiety. So I trudged through the snow and put on my boots and my coat and got it out, put it in the shed. And then that was all I got done on the first night, which was actually Christmas Day. And then the next day in the afternoon, I got started on really giving the living room and the kitchen a really good clean to start off this week on a nice clean start, and start off the new year with a clean, deep cleaned living room and a nice clean house, I guess. I didn't deep clean the kitchen because by the time I was done with the living room, I was kind of over deep cleaning, but I gave the living room a really good clean, and I'm super happy with how it turned out.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so
I love this Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. It smells so good. And I'm using it to clean my new IKEA Alex drawers. I'm using them actually as side tables because since I have such a small house, I'm very limited on storage. So I decided to use these as end tables, or side tables, I guess, as well as storage, obviously. And I actually really like how they look. You guys will see them throughout the video. But yeah, I just picked those up on Christmas Eve and put them together on Christmas Eve so that I could get my house a little bit more organized Christmas morning before my family had come over. And I'm just super happy with how it turned out. Also, guys, I wanted to quickly mention, because I don't want to keep popping up on here, I will be cleaning my walls, which I know some people think that's ridiculous. I'm not like wiping them with anything wet. I'm just using my Swiffer mop and a dry like mop pad. It's not wet. So I don't do this very often, but since I have animals and stuff and just dust gets all over, I like to do this maybe like a couple times a year just to get the dust and debris and pet hair off the walls, because you will be surprised about how much stuff gets on your walls. So since I was doing a deep clean, I thought I might as well do this to start off the new year with some clean walls, I guess.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, the one I pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking
You guys, I absolutely love this couch. It's from Love's Furniture, which is like the off brand of Art Van because Art Van closed. But I just love it. It's so comfy, and I wasn't sure about the color. It's kind of like a tan color, but it's really grown on me, and I really love how it looks. I also got this black rug from Amazon recently. I don't know if I told you guys about it. I think I mentioned it on my TikTok, which is always linked down below. But I absolutely love it. It's so like fluffy. I always end up just sitting on the floor instead of the couch because it's so comfortable. But it really, I don't know, it's just been in like really good shape. It came in really good condition. It's from Amazon, like I said. And then I always vacuum it with my Shark vacuum, usually every other day, just because I have my animals, and like I said, I'm always like sitting on it, so I need to make sure it stays clean. But so far I'm absolutely loving it. So if you guys are in the market for a new rug, I'll have that linked down below. Like I said, from Amazon. So amazing. So many different colors too. This is like the dark gray one, but they have a lot of different colors, so definitely go check it out.
It's kinda quiet in my room right now without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold.
Now it was finally time to move on to the kitchen. Like I said, after I was done with the living room and I'd given it a really good deep clean, by the time I got to the kitchen, I was in no shape to be deep cleaning. So I obviously wanted to clear the counters. I unloaded the dishwasher, reloaded the dishwasher, and hand wash some dishes and wiped the counters down, and then vacuumed and mopped the floor.
I've been trying my best for a while.
As I was recording this, I was thinking I haven't filmed a kitchen organization video for you guys, and I'm actually very happy with like how I've organized my kitchen. It's pretty small, but I feel like I've made it work. So if you guys are interested in like, if you want that video or you want kitchen ideas, like let me know and I will film a small kitchen organization video for you guys, because I'm really happy with how my kitchen organization turned out.
I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way.
So I finished up the night of cleaning with mopping the floor. I'm really happy that you guys watched this video, and let me know, did you guys plan on taking your Christmas decorations down this week, or are you waiting a little bit? Definitely share with me down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more cleaning and organizing content every week, and I will talk to you guys on Sunday. All right, bye.